In this video, I'll be making a comparison between my DJI Ronin SC gimbal against my Neewer carbon fiber handheld stabilizer. I'll be creating some B-roll footage using both of these devices and then make a comparison of them. Keep on watching to see the results. This is my DJI Ronin SC gimbal. It cost me around $400. It's been a really trusty gimbal. And this is my Neewer handheld stabilizer. Cost about $70, and it just helped me get through before I bought the Ronin SC. So without any further ado, let's look at the B-roll footage. Okay, it's obvious that the gimbal footage is much better. But now you're thinking, I don't know how to use a Steadicam properly. And maybe you're right. But I've tried to practice using the Steadicam. And many YouTubers out there say all it is a little bit of practice. But no matter how hard I try, I just cannot get good at it. And it's more to do with having rhythm, about moving like a dancer. However, I've got shaky hands and I can't dance. The purpose of this video was to compare slow motion playback of gimbal versus the Steadicam, and with that comparison to see which one is better. Before I made this video, I thought maybe the Steadicam could perform just as good or even better than the gimbal in some certain situations. No matter what speed I play back the footage, the Steadicam will still have a rough, edgy look to it, and I could never make it look smooth. And for those reasons, I just feel like the gimbal is much better for me, and I much prefer the robotic look of a gimbal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you later. Thank you for watching this video.